Škoda revealed the interior of the new Superb. In front of the driver you can see the digital cockpit, and gear selector has been relocated to the steering column for improved accessibility. This new arrangement creates a roomy central console with more storage space. Main star is the central 13-inch freestanding infotainment display. Škoda Smart Dials mark a new direction in design, enhancing onboard operation. The customizable Škoda Smart Dials allow for easy control. Each rotary push button provides intuitive access to various vehicle functions, and a digital display ensures a quick, comprehensive overview at any time. Tell me in your comments how do you like the interior of the new Škoda Superb, and stay tuned for the full reveal.